Hello everyone! Today we will talk about why P2P arbitrage can bring you more money and less stress than normal trading. Watch this video until the end and it will be useful. Let's start with the basics. What is trading? Trading means making money from the change in price over time. You buy something, for example Bitcoin, and wait. You hope that after 1 hour, a day or a month, it will be more expensive. Your profit depends on whether your guess is correct or not. If the price goes down, you lose money. This is always risky and you have to wait. What is arbitrage? Arbitrage means making money from a price difference that you find yourself. A simple example. Imagine a product costs $100 in one store and in a nearby store someone wants to buy it for $105. You buy in the first store, sell in the second and keep the difference. In P2P we do the same thing with currencies. We do not guess the future, we use the current market situation. Let's see why the second option is safer for beginners. At first, trading looks attractive. Many beginners dream of doubling their money with one lucky trade. But actually, one wrong decision and everything you earned can disappear. Arbitrage is not a game of luck, but careful work. Here you make money from the price difference. You sell cryptocurrency for a high price and buy it back for less. As people say, a penny saved is a penny earned. Most people who do arbitrage get 20–25% profit a day and do not have a big losses. Sounds good, right? Trading takes months of learning and can be stressful. Many people lost money before they learned how to win. Arbitrage is easier. Just do one round, sell and buy. Usually it takes a couple of hours. And that's it. Traders are always watching the market for rare chances. Sometimes they cannot find any good trades all day. For arbitrage, if you see a price difference, you can start making money right away. People who do arbitrage calmly get 20–25% a day, and by the end of the month, the results are often much better than traders can get. Do not believe pictures of plus 300% in one trade. Often these do not show the losses. Arbitrage is not about luck, but a simple, clear job that gives steady income. As they say, slow and steady wins the race. To sum it up, if you want stability and predictable results, try P2P arbitrage. Share this video, like it and subscribe so you do not miss new ways to earn with crypto. See you soon!